Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Canva and loading the exact image you'll edit. Pick the photo layer now. Once the photo is loaded, tap it to reveal editing tools and make sure you're on the correct layer. If composition matters, quickly crop or zoom to the subject. This reduces accidental removals later. Use higher contrast between subject and background to make the erase more accurate. Now locate the Effects menu at the bottom. This is where the Magic Eraser lives, so tap Effects to continue. You'll see Magic Eraser inside Effects. Tap to activate and let it analyze the image. Once active, choose a brush size that matches the detail level, small for hairlines, large for broad areas. Tap or drag across the area to remove. You'll notice the background or element vanishing in real time. If you remove too much, switch to Restore Mode or hit Undo. Make fine corrections by zooming in and using smaller strokes. Keep toggling Preview to check overall shape and edges. When the selection looks clean, tap Apply to commit the change. This keeps edits non-destructive in some cases. Next, refine edges using Restore and any smooth or feather options so the subject sits naturally against a new background. Export as PNG to preserve transparency or choose JPG if you're placing a new background. If you see halos or artifacts, duplicate the layer and reapply Magic Eraser on the copy, or selectively restore problem spots. This iterative fix.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.